Okay, let's take a look at some of your asynchronous work from yesterday as we get ready for tomorrow's quiz. So this is our first set of practice problems solving equations. So follow through with me and see if you did the same thing I did. So remember, we said the first thing we have to do when we have those parentheses is we have to distribute. So I am going to multiply 2 times x, and I'm going to multiply 2 times 5. 2 times x and 2 times 5. Plus 2 times 5 equals 3x plus 1. 3 times x plus 1. So that's going to leave me with 2 times x plus 2 times 5 is 10 equals 3 times x plus 1. The next step I have to do, I have to combine those like terms. I need to get all of my x's to one side. So I see 2 x's on my left side and 3 x's on my right side. So I am going to move the smaller number over to the bigger one, right? That seems like it'll be easier for me. So I'm going to subtract 2 x's from both sides. And that leaves me with 10 on the left side. And 3x minus 2x is going to leave me with just 1x. So I'll have x plus 1. Now I'm almost done my last step. I need to get rid of my 1's, right? I have 10 1's on the left side, and I have 1x and 1 1 on my right side. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. And that'll leave me with 9 equals x, or x equals 9. So my next question here, 3 times y minus 4 equals 6 minus 2y. Now remember, anytime we have minus 2y, in order to move that to the other side of the equation, in order to combine these like terms, I'm going to have to do the opposite. I'm going to have to add. So for this one, I will add 2y to both sides of my equation. Add 2y. 3y plus 2y gives me 5y's. And I still have minus 4, negative 4 1's. That's going to be equal to 6, right? Because negative 2y plus 2y, that's going to cancel out. I am not going to have any more y's on the right side of my equation. My next step, I got to move my 1's over. So if I have negative 4, I need to add 4 to both sides. That'll leave me with 5y equals 6 plus 4 is 10. On the left side of my equation, negative 4 plus 4 cancels out. That leaves me with just the 5y. And my last step, if 5y's equal 10, I need to know how much 1 is. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. Dividing both sides by 5, that will get me 1y equals 2. Y equals 2. This next equation we have to distribute on both sides of my equation.